Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market to help you make the best choice for your needs. Today, we're talking about the Kiss Everlasting French Pedicure Kit, the best Toenails Acrylic Set that will transform your pedicure routine. If you're looking for salon-quality nails at home, this is the product for you. First up, this set offers a flawless French pedicure that's quick and easy to apply. With its Flexi Fit technology, it ensures a snug and comfortable fit, giving you the confidence to wear it all week long without worrying about chipping or peeling. Each kit comes with 24 nails in a variety of sizes, so you'll easily find the perfect fit for your toes. Whether you're preparing for a special event or just want a polished look for everyday wear, this set will do the trick. One of the key features of the Kiss Everlasting French Pedicure Kit is its chip-free design, which ensures your nails stay looking fresh for up to 7 days. The rich white tips won't crack or wear away, and the pink gel nail glue included is easy to use, making the application process quick and hassle-free. You don't need to be a professional to get that salon look right at home. Additionally, the kit includes a mini file and a manicure stick, giving you everything you need to complete the perfect pedicure. The best part? The nails are made from durable plastic, so they look natural and strong, just like a professional acrylic set. Whether you're at home or on vacation, these nails stay put and will make your feet look great with minimal effort. If you're someone who's always on the go or prefers a DIY pedicure, this kit is a game changer. No need to spend time at the nail salon. You can now achieve beautiful, chip-free French toenails in just a few minutes. It's the perfect way to get a flawless look without the expensive salon visits. To wrap it up, the Kiss Everlasting French Pedicure Kit is the best Toenails Acrylic Set available today. With its easy application, long-lasting wear, and professional results, it's a must-have for anyone looking to achieve a perfect pedicure at home. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products out there.